If you want to delete your Whop account permanently, this video will walk you through the exact steps so you can do it safely and confidently. Before we begin, please remember that this action is irreversible, so make sure you really want to continue. Also, if you have any active subscriptions or access keys, cancel those first so you don't lose track of anything important. If this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and log into your account at whop.com. Once you're signed in, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile avatar or icon. This will open your account menu. In that drop-down, you should see a gear icon located directly to the right of your username. Click that gear icon to enter your management area and open your account settings. Now that you're inside your account settings page, look for the account security section. Click on it to open the security options for your profile. From there, scroll all the way down until you reach the danger zone. This is where Whop places the most serious account actions, including permanent deletion. When you find it, click Delete Account. At this point, a confirmation box will appear on your screen. It should clearly warn you that deleting your account will remove your data. Take a moment here and read the warning carefully. If you are absolutely sure you want to proceed, type Delete into the verification field, exactly as shown. This step is there to make sure you don't accidentally remove your account. Once you've typed the word correctly, the final Delete Account button will become available. Click that button to permanently wipe your profile. After that, your Whop account will be deleted, along with your purchase history and access keys across Whop communities. That means you will no longer be able to recover the account or the information attached to it, so double-check everything before confirming. If you're managing subscriptions, I strongly recommend reviewing them before you do this final step. Make sure every active membership, access pass or recurring payment has been cancelled first. That way, you avoid any confusion later and make sure everything is fully closed out before the account disappears. And that's it. You've now learned how to delete your Whop account permanently. If this guide helped you, please tap the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.